Guess what? Me and my son have just found the coolest app ever. What is it, Trae?
A phone remote. Look,
Boot.
DirecTV remote with no volume. Look, change channel. Boop.
Booyakaya!
Look, change channel.
Hit the guide.
What? Oh, okay. Boop.
Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. I'm out of breath.
It's the
Plus, I just ate and I ran upstairs and I'm fat. But still. What do you think, babe? Trae,
what?
show him something. Are you going to do the list? But look, hold on, let's see the phone. Show the phone. Oh, you gotta see it. Where's the real remote? Look, this is the real remote. Show him the fake remote, Trae. This is the real remote. Look at this.
That's the key to the world.
Look at that. My phone is a remote that works. For instance, let me show you an example. Let's see. There's a pause button. Let's pause. Watch, I'm gonna pause live TV. Pause. Booyah!
Look, watch this. Look, I'm gonna press the play button. You see that black button? Boop.
And it played. Wesley!
Daddy,
My phone is a remote. Wesley.
So you
Wesley.
Hey, maybe when like Gabby and Bert can find the phone, you can just go to that and then they can tell you what channel they want to go on and then they can you can do the thing.
I no longer need to find the remote because I control the world. The world. You have to do an evil laugh.
We are the evil.
Do an evil laugh. No, evil laugh.